Welcome back my YouTube channel Top Cars TV. Tata Ace 2025, the ultimate mini truck for businesses. Tata Motors has revolutionized the mini truck segment with its latest 2025 Tata Ace lineup, known as Kudi Hathi. The Tata Ace has been the backbone of small businesses, logistics, and transportation in India for decades. In 2025, Tata has introduced advanced models, including electric and bi-fuel variants, offering better performance, mileage, and cost-effectiveness. Latest Tata Ace models in 2025. 1. Tata Ace EV 2025. The Tata Ace EV is a fully electric mini truck designed for eco-friendly and cost-efficient transportation. It features a 21.3 kWh lithium iron phosphate (LFP) battery, providing a certified range of 154 km per charge. With 36.2 horsepower and 130 Nm torque, it delivers excellent performance for urban logistics. One of the standout features of the Ace EV is its fast charging capability, which charges the battery up to 100% in just 105 minutes. It comes with the payload capacity of 600 kilograms, making it ideal for last-mile delivery services. The starting price is around a superscript 18.72 lakh, ex-showroom, making it an affordable electric commercial vehicle option. 2. Tata Ace EV 1000. For businesses requiring higher payload capacity, Tata has introduced the Ace EV 1000. This model offers the same 21.3 kWh battery but with an extended range of 161 km per charge. The payload capacity has been increased to 1,000 kilograms, making it perfect for transporting heavier goods. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. The Ace EV 1000 also comes with a 7-year battery warranty, ensuring long-term reliability. The pricing for this variant ranges between a superscript 111.27 lakh to a superscript 111.40 lakh, ex-showroom. 3. Tata Ace Pro Bi-Fuel, CNG plus petrol. For businesses looking for a fuel-efficient and flexible alternative, Tata has introduced the Tata Ace Pro Bi-Fuel. This model was showcased at Auto Expo 2025 and features a dual-fuel technology that allows it to run on both CNG and petrol. The engine generates 26 horsepower and 50 Nm torque, ensuring smooth performance. It offers a CNG mileage of 21 km/kg and has a total fuel tank capacity of 70 liters. The payload capacity of 750 kilograms makes it a great option for cost-effective transportation. Key features of Tata Ace 2025 models. Fuel options. Available in electric, CNG, and petrol variants. High mileage. CNG variant offers 21 km/kg, while EV models provide up to 161 km range per charge. Fast charging. Tata Ace EV charges fully in just 105 minutes. Increased payload, up to 1,000 kilograms capacity in the Ace EV 1000 model. Affordable pricing, starting from a superscript 18.72 lakh, making it budget-friendly for small businesses. Why choose Tata Ace 2025? The 2025 Tata Ace models are designed to meet the growing demand for eco-friendly, fuel-efficient, and high-performance mini trucks. With advancements in electric mobility and dual-fuel technology, the Tata Ace remains the most reliable and profitable option for businesses in India. Whether you are looking for a low-cost CNG vehicle or a zero-emission electric truck, Tata has the perfect solution in its 2025 Ace lineup.